Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name.
Hi guys, so today is Tuesday, 2nd of May 2023. So I'm still working on the apartment before I move in. I'll make sure it's good enough before I move in. It's actually really hectic, like my feet hurt so much. I mean, hunting with the house hunting alone, my feet hurt so much. So with the making sure the house is good enough for me to move in. I mean, everything is nice and smooth. I had to deal with some masons and some carpenters and some painters and all of that. So yesterday the mason went to do his part, which was free. That's not my expenses. It was free. So the landlord's son is actually mason, so he did that. And the carpenter was supposed to do his part yesterday, but guess what? Dealing with carpenters, especially in Ghana, is a whole lot of spots on its own. So I don't like dealing with them. I actually asked the guy in charge of the house to deal with him, and he called to tell me that he told him he was coming yesterday. He never came, but today he actually sent his apprentice to send his tools to the house, but him himself is not yet there. Yeah, so I need to go get paint. For the room. So right now I'm heading to town to get the paint. With the paint, I'm really thinking about it, but there's nothing I can do. Like, I can't stay in that room without painting. Like, as a perfectionist, you have to take time when you move into a new place, but then as a perfectionist, I mean, some things has to be done. Like the painting, it has to be done. So I'm going to buy the paint today, and hopefully the carpenter comes to do his work. Because if the carpenter does not do his work, the painting is not done. So I'm hoping that today he comes to do his work and the painting is done, so that the painting can be done and over with. Okay, so yeah, my arm hurts so bad. Like, it's been a lot of tussle with this house hunting thing, so my whole body is in pain, but I have to finish it because I've already gotten the place. So you have to finish it once and for all. So yeah, I'm actually stressing. I pack my things. My TV is packed. Like, a lot of things are in pack. Okay.
Sweet like what I would do inside coconut. Sip after sip, give me stamina. Wait for you so the same time we come up. Me and you at the same time. I never wanna leave, oh more. So dance with me, oh more. I pull up on your beach, oh more. Time to swim, oh more. Oh baby, make you know the lie. Make it tell your friends, say you are feeling my vibe. No waste time, cause now me you go follow till the day we die. I mean, I can't wait.
Tomorrow.
I'm so angry right now. So angry right now, and whom am I angry with right now the most is myself. It's myself. So I bought a bucket of paint for 400 cedis and paid somebody, a human being, a whole full-grown human being, 150 cedis to paint this room for me. And look at what I get. I actually contacted a professional painter who actually charged me. He charged 400 cedi for this room and for the hall, because the hall is almost like 2 rooms combined. So he charged 200 for this room and 400 cedi for the hall, because it looks like a 2 room. It's more like 2 rooms combined into the hall. And I pleaded with him, and he said, okay, fine, he's going to charge 200 cedi for the bedroom and 200 cedi for the hall, making 400 cedi. But here's the case, I couldn't afford it, so this guy offered to paint it for me for 150 cedi. And look at what I get. See, in this life, when it comes to artists and when it comes to builders, carpenters, painters, electricians, don't trust them on anything. If any of them promise you to do something for you at a lower price, please run. Please run. It's better you go look for the actual price that the professional is charging and pay for it, or you do the work by yourself, or find somebody to do the work for you if you can. Because if you trust them because they told you they are going to charge less, you give the money to them. You cannot blame them because he is charging you less. You cannot fight with him. He is charging you less than the norm. So he is more like he's doing you a favor. So whatever he does for you is fine now. You cannot do anything about it. You are going to pay the money he's charging you. So yeah, I've paid 150 cedi to this guy after buying a paint of 400 cedi. Now they should make it 550 cedi, and this is the nonsense he did for me. I don't know whether he used a brush or used a roller. This doesn't look like painting that they use brush or roller. It's more like he just took the bucket of paint and poured it on the wall. He was just pouring the paint on the wall. That's what this looks like. Because I'm so angry because I could have done this myself. I could have done this painting myself if I can't afford it. I could have done it myself with the help of my friend Kwame. We could have done this painting ourselves. If this painting was going to take us 3 days to do it, like, it would be way better, professional, nicer than this rubbish that this guy has done for me. Like, painting my room was the major concern. Like, was my major concern. Like, it was the only thing I needed to do to fix this room. Like, it was the biggest thing I needed to do to fix this place, and he has made it worse. I could have even left it the way it was until I'm ready to pay the professional guy the 400 cedis. I'm so pissed right now. Like, I'm so pissed right now, and I can't be too pissed at the boy because I'm more pissed at myself for actually paying this guy this money, because I knew from my heart that this guy was going to do nonsense for me. I knew it. I felt it that I was going to do nonsense for me, but I still went ahead, gave him the money, and look at me now. The 550 cedi is gone, and I'm still at the same place. Where will I find my? You see, these are the things that actually pays me a lot. In Ghana, if you don't have money in Ghana, even a goat is better than you as a human being. Because if I had paid this guy the 400 cedi, I wouldn't have anything to question. Because if I have anything to question, I will question him bitterly. Like, I will deal with him bitterly. But right now, I can't deal with this guy because he offered to charge cheaper to help me. Like, it's more like him helping me out. It's more like he didn't charge anything at all. The 150 is more like him not charging me anything at all. He did it for me for free. I just compensate him. It's more like I just compensate him with a 150. Well, right now, I can't do anything about this painting. To be honest with you, I will live in this house like this until when I will be able to afford another bucket of paint. And probably with that time, I'll do the paint myself with Kwame. Because, see, the way I'm angry right now. Words cannot even explain. I'm not even angry at the guy. I'm angry at myself for doing myself this wrong, for doing myself this bad.
Later.
To make your face just smile, it's not a lie, yeah. It's a muscle on fire. So many girls are fast, one of the girls flying past you. So many things you've been through, but this life will be the same. Oh, no, never be the same again. Never be the same again. No, never be the same. You can be a different vibe. Every time I see you, my body gets so raw. Even in a different time. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm deep love you, tire. And you really the one. No go come tire for me, yeah. Make you no go down yawa for me, yeah. Yeah, but to love you, tire. To love you, tire. And you really the one. No go come tire for me, yeah. Make you no come tire for me.
Eventually.
You go out for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I can win by default. And without any doubt, oh. I'm a me, happy adult, oh. I no go feed.
So I came in yesterday and I couldn't sleep here because obviously everywhere is scattered. So I went back to sleep at my mom's place. I just came back here this morning. Right now the time is 6:26. I heard a woman screaming her lungs, selling books. I went to buy one. Guess how much? I see this that they used to sell for 1 CD and we don't buy. When it was in GSS, this was a project. Like you do this for your teachers for the school. Actually, right now I don't have time to do it myself, so I had to pay 5 cedis. I was saying, I'm coming to unpack today. I don't want to do too much today because I have 9 shifts today. So I just want to do, pack the things, I put them in places where I want them to be. You know, just put them in places. So as time goes on, I'll be unpacking gradually. Actually, my friend promised to come and assist me today. Kwame, my friend Kwame. When he's seeing, you're going to see him. Kwame was in one of my videos. It was actually a live video. Yeah, I live by the roadside, so if you're hearing noise, bear with me, okay? So Kwame will be coming in later. When he's in, I'll let you guys know. So I'm going to try and lay the carpets in the bedroom. I can't buy a carpet for the whole place right now. I don't know whoever is that child that is Cindy. That's what you get living in a compound house. This is what you get. It's stressful in Ghana if you don't have a lot of money. It's stressful. Everything is stressful. That's why people are jackpotting anyhow. People are just moving to UK and whatever anyhow, because you cannot have peace in this country if you don't have money.
So many reasons where I wonder for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. Oh. See how the liquor go to you, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Maybe cause I wanna make me there. Oh, boy, I wanna make you. I feel like making you. I wanna make me day. No, boy, I wanna make you. I feel like making you. Pull over, pull over. Un amour comme ça, je le vois de loin. Ils ont pesant à posa. Tell me what's your plan when you take a stand in the courts of love. Oh, see what I want in you, baby boy. Let me know if your love got a guarantee. Oh, bolingo esimbi motema nangai. To ebeti to, ebeti to, ebeti to, bolingo esimbi motema nangai. I never traded you for nothing more. This love is making me do something more. Without you, I don't
Happy.
Work, 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 work. You set me up, you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Saw me put in work, 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 work. When you work, I learn, 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 learn. Me no care if it hurt, 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 hurt it. Drive me, I deserve to. The time to have you looking. It might go act like him, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams' adoration. You